Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and tutorials. HideMyAss, HMA, a VPN review, a comprehensive look at performance and usability. In this detailed review of HideMyAss, HMA, a VPN, we'll delve into its performance, features, and overall user experience. Check the description for direct links to the product if you're interested in learning more. HMA is a widely recognized VPN provider catering to a diverse user base. Whether your goal is enhancing online privacy while browsing, accessing geo-restricted content, or securing your connection on public Wi-Fi networks, HMA offers a practical solution. A key strength of HMA lies in its extensive server network, boasting over 1,000 servers distributed across more than 190 countries. This broad reach makes it an excellent choice for users seeking global content access, whether for streaming services, online gaming, or circumventing censorship. On the security front, HMA employs AES 256-bit encryption, the industry standard for data protection. Furthermore, it adheres to a strict no-logs policy, ensuring your online activities are neither tracked nor stored. Supporting multiple protocols, including OpenVPN, L2TP IPsec, and IKEv2, HMA allows you to select the protocol best suited to your speed and security requirements. The user interface is designed for simplicity and ease of navigation, making it accessible even for beginners. HMA seamlessly integrates with all major platforms, including Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android, and the installation process is straightforward. For users on the move, the mobile app provides full functionality on smaller devices. In terms of performance, HMA generally delivers consistent and reliable speeds, though this can fluctuate depending on the chosen server location. For everyday tasks such as web browsing, streaming, and downloading, you can expect smooth and fast connections. However, speeds may be slightly reduced for bandwidth-intensive activities like large file transfers, depending on the server. HMA offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, providing reassurance and allowing you to try the service risk-free. In conclusion, HideMyAss is a robust and versatile VPN option for privacy-conscious individuals who require global access and a reliable connection. It's a solid contender in the VPN market, offering a comprehensive suite of features and a user-friendly experience.